Good morning. So let's understand point and figure today. And somebody sent me an email. He said, "Boss, we are unable to understand what exactly you want to say." So I said, "Okay, what do you want me to explain?" They said, "How we combine point and figure with a candlestick and then taken a decision where we make a good returns out of the trading methods." That's really a very good question. Now, so what did I do? I will go back to one daily this thing here, and I hope, I believe, you can look into this. Otherwise, you can look into the bigger screen other than mobile phone, so that you can understand this. Now I will put for the both. I will put what do I put? I'll put Williams fractal for the both. Fine, and I will put, I think, MACD, so that you come to know it's above one is daily, and down also I'll put William fractal and MACD, so you come to know exactly. Hmm? And the MACD, they differ very differ. They differ very largely, because this is point and figure, which only changes based on the mm, price closing basis on 5 minutes. Okay. Now, when the price was here, so let me get this. When the price was here, what was your opinion? When the price was here, when the price was here, well, see, now you see when the price was here, what is your opinion? And we already have a divergence here, and the price is made a bearish engulfing. Okay, even in point and figure, it made a bearish engulfing. So, what is exactly a bearish engulfing in the point and figure? The point and figure basically gives you an anchor column. It gives you an anchor column. Now, I will remove this. It gives you an anchor column. Just let me pick the tool. Okay. It basically gives you the largest anchor column ever you can see here, and this is based on the 35.4 and on 5 minutes time frame. So when this large anchor column is made, so you have understood that the market is gap down or something like that. Just let me get this here. So here it is. This is the green. It is still green. So you can see. Then the next, the column, this gap basically suggests this anchor column. So what happens after anchor column? There is a doji. Doji is formed in candlestick. Doji is formed, right? Yeah, that is an indication that your this bearish engulfing engulfs the previous all four candles. So explaining that market is no longer in a mood to accept your bullish momentum, or it is no longer in the bullish momentum. So on the upper side, you will also see is break of the trend line. The break of the trend line confirms that it is going for this, and it will go, eventually it will go for this. So eventually it will go up to this. First, this is the last leg. So the leg will be broken. Okay. So when we say eventually it will go up to this, that means in the point and figure, you already have parameter over here. So it will go up to this. So whenever you see, for example, this broke, and the break of this particular this thing, that means here point and figure low, that is 25,794.10, and uh, 1 second, sorry, 25,134. 25 134, the break below 25 134, this one I will highlight in this way so that you get it. This one, this low. Okay, here also it comes basically, but you have to concentrate on the pointed figure. When that breaks, the stop remain, your stop remain 25 452. Okay, 25 452. When you see the 25 452, you will come to know that it is this candle high, that candle high. Okay, that stop remain over there, and your target is, let me take this, $25 100, and your target is 1400 points. With the stop remain, I'll show you the stop. Let me take that too. The stop remain around about 300 points. It is 1:4 and 1:5. And this is something that we train people. We explain people that why you should have an alternative charting. This is not just charting. This is an alternative charting. If you know the alternative charting, then the alternative charting, importance of alternative charting you will come to know only when you realize that fixed point trading bases have a larger benefit than the candlestick. I will remove both this thing, the congestion. Suppose even in today's scenario, let's come here. Let's come this way. Okay. When this was formed, you can see there was a huge green bar. Okay. There was a high until this anchor column breaks. This is also an anchor column, or until this breaks. This is a lower fractal on the point and figure itself. So when I say it's a lower fractal on the point and figure, you can see on the this thing, it is just this low. This low is equal to this low, and when this low is there, when this breaks, you have a tendency to go back to the test the previous low. Okay, 1 second. So let me go. You have a tendency, once this is broken, once this is broken, please see, you have a tendency to go back and test this and this. So it's a big money. It's a very, very big money. But seeing just one video doesn't make you rich, but you have to understand the total concept of this. What was the stop? We sold April also, don't worry. And our target is 3511 points, and our stop is 567 points. And that is the money we are looking. We have sold April also. Yeah, we know that. Because we know it is going to go down. So we sold April also. This is the amount of money you want to make in the market if you want to make money in the market. And the market is going to 21,000. Somewhere it will reverse somewhere at 21,200 or something. From there it will come. Yes, you have a stages to book. When this much is run, you can book at this stage. And you can make profit. When it goes back, again you can look for a short sell, and then you can make. That is where the point and figure come in handy to you. So when this was broken, if you had not entered, Krishna, I had never entered food. Then there was a one more, this one. There was a one more here, and that was very beautifully. It was a flag in the point and figure. Tell me, you have a 35 point risk. You have 5 or 6 column risk here, that is 150 points, and you have big money. Krishna, can it be traded on 1 minute or for intraday? And the answer is yes. The answer is yes. If when you go on this, it is on 1 minute. So you make it at a 15 minutes on candlestick. On this, you go with a 1 minute. The answer is very much yes. And if you see carefully over here, please, I will just expand and show you how important it is to make the money out of this. This pattern is a short sell pattern that is formed over here. On candlestick, you would never sell. You will never sell it on the candlestick basis. On candlestick basis, you will never sell it. See, if I am making here, you can see in the this, that is 5th March. On candlestick, you will never sell it. But on point and figure, we sell it. And this is the money. This is the money. 897 points. Exactly 897 points. And this is big money. And what is your stop? What is your stop? Your stop is just around 225 points. So understanding point and figure itself takes some time. It's not that easy. It's not that easy. But you will get it. You will get an idea how. And the other day we came in 5 minutes. We did not buy anything because we know this is sinking. So we have alternative charting on the display. हमें क्या चाहिए? हमें इसके ऊपर प्राइस क्लोज चाहिए. अगर प्राइस क्लोज मिलता है, it will go up to here. And what is that? What does it mean? I mean, when I say this, it means that from this to this, you have 499 points. You have 499 points, 500 points, and that is so much big money. That's so much big money. But you must have a clear understanding on point and figure. It's not easy because patterns can be deceptive. If it would have been that easy, every single one would have been started trading only. So it's not that easy. Your stop remains around about 378 points, and we are looking 1:2 at least minimum. We are looking 1:2. Excuse me. Oh, sorry, I was not able to get that correctly. 1:2 we are looking, and your stop is, how much is your stop? $407 is your stop, and your take profit should be 1:2. So let me get this correctly. So somewhere here, 24,100. So on this also you can see this, you are looking somewhere here. You are looking somewhere there. And when I put a Fibonacci relationship on this, it almost says 2.618. It almost says 2.618. This is how the market has to behave. By evening, I'll put in a weekly this thing, but this is what I wanted to give an answer to the man who asked me. Point and figure basically is an alternative method where you will get a confirmation that your trade is indeed going for a profit. It will be a profitable trade. Unless you want to cut short, it will be a profitable trade. So take a decision, my friends. I mean, many people try to train you, but it's not easy. What I say here or what I teach here is, it looks easy, but it's not easy. It takes time to learn. All right. Thank you.